Hey guys, welcome back with Lake Tawakoni RV Center. This is Rebecca and I'm here to show you our 2021 Forest River Cardinal 25th anniversary 345 RLX. This one's got 3 slides, 2 power awnings. Those slides are protected with the slide toppers, outside kitchen, a little bit of entertainment. You've got your nice solid step coming in. Walk in, we've got a beautiful kitchen island, solid surface, 60/40 sink. Here's your dinette. A little bit of storage right there by the television. Electric fireplace, your entertainment center. Nice couch turns into a sleeper. Of course, you've got your theater seats. And check out this pantry. Plenty of room in that. Those drawers pull out. You come over here, 3-burner stove top, nice little oven. Check out that vent hood, that's pretty cool. You come, you see our nice little coffee bar with your microwave. You've got the full-size fridge. Let's check out our bathroom. You've got his and her sinks. Nice big beautiful shower with a seat. Got storage for your towels. Let's check out the bedroom. It's king size bed. You've got your electric fireplace, a few drawers underneath. Nice little TV. It's got plenty of space in the closet for shoes. All your hangables, and this one is washer dryer prepped. Pretty big closet. All right, if you guys have any questions with our 2021 Forest River Cardinal 25th edition 345 RLX, give us a call at 903-447-2633. Thanks for watching.